Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Bronco front bumper. First, let's prepare by gathering your tools. You will need a 15mm socket, a T40 Torx bit, and a pushpin puller. For safety, always disconnect your vehicle's battery before working with electrical components. This task is best done with two people, as the bumper weighs approximately 50 to 70 pounds and can be challenging to manage alone. The entire process should take about 1 hour. Now, let's begin the removal process. Start by taking off the front plastic D-ring guards. Use a screwdriver or pushpin puller to remove the 2 pins on the bottom and 2 near the top of each guard. Once these are out, gently pull the guards away and set them aside. Next, using a 15mm socket, loosen the 3 bolts on each side of the bumper. It's crucial to have your helper support the bumper at this stage to prevent it from falling. With the main bolts loosened, it's time to address the electrical connections. Locate the plug for the fog lights and front sensors, usually on the driver's side behind the grille, and carefully disconnect it. Once unplugged, you can now fully remove all 6 bumper bolts and the D-ring mounts. With your helper, carefully pull the entire bumper assembly away from the vehicle. Place the bumper face down on a soft surface to avoid any scratches or damage. After the bumper is off, you might need to remove additional components. If your Bronco has sensors, use a 13mm socket to remove the 4 hex head bolts securing the main bumper brackets. Next, a T40 Torx bit will remove the 6 bolts holding the bumper mounts in place. Finally, use a flathead screwdriver or pin puller to carefully detach all retaining clips for the wiring harness and sensors from the bumper itself. This ensures you can transfer them to a new bumper or store them safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.